Hello, this is the Dawdling Engineer and welcome back to another eJournal entry. A lot happened today, but I'll try and keep it short due to some scheduling constraints. Hope you enjoy this entry and don't forget to subscribe and check out the TARC website if you haven't already. I'll be posting the link for it in the description below. The primary objective today was to find a motor setup that would propel the digital render of my rocket and rock sim to the qualifying height of 800 feet. After multiple failures to reach the target altitude, I decided to add extra ballast section inside a central coupler to increase its mass without affecting the center of gravity too drastically. Then I moved on to a more powerful motor, an Aerotech F42T-4, tweaked the ballast, and ended up with a near perfect 800 feet. This move was costly as my digital render now weighs roughly 647.61 grams. However, this is only for the qualifying round, as I can lose some of the extra ballast depending on my required height. Another solution I have to this problem of weight to height is using a 29mm reusable motor, but this is for another time. After I completed the initial goal of today's class, I returned to the physical building of the competition rocket. I started by measuring out the different lengths and diameters of body tubes I needed based off of the digital render using two different methods. For my 29mm inner tube serving as the motor mount, I used a small 90-degree angle, a clip, and an X-Acto knife to cut the cardboard by spinning it against the knife. There will be a tutorial video in the description below. For the larger BT80 tubes, I made my marks with masking tape to provide a great guide for the bandsaw. However, be careful with the masking tape. If there is too much masking tape, or if the masking tape is too tightly adhered to the body tube, the adhesive will pull the smooth finish off. I learned that the hard way on one of my cuts, and I'll have to fix the imperfections with primer later on. I also did some miscellaneous touches in addition to cutting my body tubes. I cut and installed my tube couplers for both payload sections and added their bulkheads to start connecting my stages. I'm almost finished with the altimeter casing, and I'm thinking about starting to assemble my motor mount, but that probably won't happen. So this concludes this very productive Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this eJournal entry. Don't forget to take a look at the American Rocketry Challenge's website in the description below. Leave a comment if you have advice or are interested in TARC, and subscribe to keep up with all my projects and their progression. That's all I have for now. Ciao.